Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I deep clean the fan. Summer is officially over and so have the heat waves, they are officially done. So it's time to clean your fan and put it away ready for next year. So it depends what kind of fan you've got. This is like the standard one, I guess. I'm just going to show you how I do it. So I just unclip the ends of it and take off the screw over there, and it just unclips and it's ready for a deep clean. Oh, taking off the cage, so we're just going to clean this bit. It's not so bad. I just feel like the cage itself is the one that's currently really dirty, but I'm just going to clean this. I'm going to use the Fairy Skip the Soak. It's really powerful and I just feel like it will take up all the buildup that's there. So let us dive in. And also the back. I'm going to focus on this part of the fan. Get to those edges. I'm just going to spray it onto the cloth. Do that. And just rub it in between. I'm not sure if you can see that, but just pull it in and out. If there is a way to remove this, please let me know, because I have no idea. I'm just doing what I think is what would work best. But if there's actually a better way to get this done, let me know in the comment section below. And now we're just going to do the outer parts of the fan. Again, just going to spray it directly onto the cloth. Because the last thing we need is to be inhaling the dust and just spreading dust all over the house. And just the edge, I'm not sure if you can see that. Just going to put that in the sink. It is now nice and dry and ready to be put back on. So we're just going to align it again, like so. We're going to clip the ends in, down like so. Just push it down, little pot over here. Okay, put the screw back in. Okay, it's there. See? It slides right in and it is ready. Enjoy. It's a clean fan ready for use. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, that you found the video very informative, the step-by-step guide. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and if you want more cleaning content, look over here. That's it for me. I hope you guys have a good day.